Welcome to Study All in One channel. Hello friends, today's topic is class first Fitzroy story The Animals. So let's start. Words we know: the, John, to, my, go, to, scent, milk, jump, was, with, for, soon, roof, room, have, play, name, like, said, and very. New letter style for capital or uppercase I. One standing line is the same as I. Special words: who are you? These are some special words. Who are you? Who are you? My name is Dan, said the dog. My name is Peg, said the pig. So, pig asked to dog, who are you? So, dog said, my name is Dan. And my name is Peg, said the pig. Who are you? My name is Corn, said the cat. My name is Hannah, said the hen. So, hen asked to cat, who are you? Cat said, my name is Corn. My name is Hannah, said the hen. You are a dog I like. You are a dog I like, said Peg the pig. You are a cat I like, said Hannah the hen. You are a dog I like, said Peg the pig. You are a cat I like, said Hannah the hen. Who can roll? Said Dan the dog. Who can roll? Said Dan the dog. I can roll in the mud very well, said Peg the pig. Peg was wet. So, who can roll? Said the dog. I can roll in the mud very well, said Peg the pig. Peg was wet. Who can jump? Said Peg the pig. Said Peg the pig. Who can jump? I can jump very well, said Dan the dog. Said Dan the dog, I can jump very well. Dan was hot. Dan was hot. Who can peck? Said Corn the cat. Who can peck? Said Corn the cat. I can peck food very well, said Hannah the hen. Said Hannah the hen, I can peck food very well. Hannah was old. Hannah was old. Who can sit still? Who can sit still? Said Hannah the hen. I can sit very still, said Corn the cat. I can sit very still, said Corn the cat. Corn was cool. You can roll very well. You can roll very well, said Dan the dog to Peg the pig. Said Dan the dog to Peg the pig. And you are very fit. And you are very fit. Because you can roll very well, so you are very fit, said Dan the dog to Peg the pig. You can jump on the log. You can jump on the log, said Peg the pig to Dan the dog. You are very fit too. You can jump on the log. That's why you are very fit too, said Peg the pig to Dan the dog. You have a lot of food to pick. You have a lot of food to pick, said Corn to Hannah. You are a big animal. You are a big animal because you have a lot of food to pick, said Corn to Hannah. You can sit very still. You can sit very still, said Hannah back to Corn. You are a very big animal too. You can sit very still, said Hannah back to Corn. You are a very big animal too. Words we have used: very, John, with, who, are, you, peck, nuts, jump, said, name, play, roll, fell, hill, like, have, rock, still, animal, room. Thank you. I hope you all have got these points. If yes, so please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye friends.